to do your proof of humanity on LayerEdge testnet, copy the link and paste it to your Mrs. browser, load this and connect your wallet. Alright, so I've connected wallet. So connect the same wallet linked to your LayerEdge account. So, and I'm going to be verifying this with Binance. So I have a Binance account that it is verified. Alright, so if you have any of these exchanges, either Binance, Bybit, or any of these on the list, so you can use any of them to verify. So I'm going to be using Binance. Alright, now let us go and download this app. Alright, download this app, Transgate app. Download Transgate app. Alright, so once you download it, come to your VPN. I'm using Thunder VPN. Open your VPN, connect to any location other than US. Don't connect to US. Alright, connect to any location other than US. So I'm going to be connecting to UK, United Kingdom. Alright, so it has been connected. Now go back to the site, come to this site. So I'm going to be using Binance to verify this. So I'm going to be tapping on verify now. Verify now. Just allow it to load. So this QR code, I'm going to screenshot it and send it to another phone. So screenshot this. Right. So go back to the app. Go back to the Transgate app. Come to the app. Then tap on this scan icon. Tap on it. Allow this. Then you scan the code from another phone. Right. Scan it. Or you can even upload this as a video. Here is it. Tap on photo. Tap on photo. Okay, from gallery. Then select the QR code. Okay, you don't even need another phone. Just save the picture, save the QR code's picture and upload it. You understand? So then tap on OK. So this is going to take us to where we are going to log in our Binance account. All right. So log in your Binance account and proceed. All right. So log in your Binance account. I'm going to do that right now. So when you get to this place and it's telling you passkey verification field, just tap on this my passkey are not available. All right. My passkeys are not available. Then log in with password. So once you have logged in your Binance account, now tap on verify with passkey. Tap on verify with ZK pass. So it is done. Then you can tap on back to home. Alright. Alright. Now go back to the Mrs. browser and reload. So then we tap on verify now. Alright. We tap on verify now. Wait. Sorry. Let me reload this sec. So as you can see, it has been completed. Just once you have done all those, just allow this thing to refresh. All right, allow it to refresh. It's going to be updated automatically as done. All right, so it is completed and you have done the POH. So that's it.